Okay, 107 working ECS. 105 working ECS. Because due to toilet tension here in Portsmouth, I live back in forming service to London, Victoria.
Should we go across to the bus station?
Not really, no. No, I'm filming. Leave me alone. Stand in my way. Stand here. Standing close to me. Not too close.
Stand in your way. Stand out my way.
So stand up my way, please.
Don't shout.
No. Go stand here.
Can we have your attention please on platform 1? Any passengers requiring a service up towards London Victoria this morning due to disruption in the Havant area, you're strongly recommended to board the next train in on this platform and change at Barnham.
Barnham.
Once again, any passengers on platform 1 requiring services through towards London this morning,
Talk to me like this.
you are strongly advised to board the next train in on
Close to me,
platform 1
please.
and change at Barnham.
Jesus, space.
Should we go to the bus station?
Subsidies London to Brighton, 367112. Wait! That's right! Do stop it! You didn't film it? Past by, we've got 377. Welcome to the yes. You've got 377 136. Welcome to yes. 10 minutes. 377 470, working yes. Harold the wind. Can you give me some space for me? Look, do come here, check my space. Do come here, check.
Space now?
Yeah. Yeah, I have. This is the 159. We're about 2 minutes late. 2 minutes late today. I ain't been Dog up.
Once again, any passengers on platform number 2 requiring services through towards Southampton in the West Country, please board the train now on platform number 2 and change at Fratton.
Fratton?
Change at Fratton for connecting services through towards Southampton and the West Country.
Oh, Mum, how much time with Dad? No, I tell you something, I'm it's like 2 minutes late. And now it's 3 minutes late. Now, I'm the 826 service from Brighton, but with a 3-car variant. You saw by 377 307. Now hold me tight! No! No!
Here, please do not attempt to board this service. This train is not in passenger use. Please stand clear.
Classified?
Any
Not this
passengers
time.
currently up towards the cafe on this platform, please start making your way along past where I'm currently standing, as this is where the train will stop.
Come here. Listen to me.
Once again, any passengers on platform 1, if you're currently down towards the cafe, please start making your way along past where I'm currently standing, as this is where the train will stop.
Right, you gonna sit here and film this train?
You me more white. You stand. You more white.
How about please?
Please. Oh, he's got to level crossing.
Not for a minute. You can't get there because of barriers, look.
I want to go to the bridge.
Just wait a minute, okay?
Which was the 46. That 46 and 3 I'm just departing.
That's not mine. I'll find out what the fast train first before I get there.
Well, so the things online are going to be wrong, because all the trains are all paged, aren't they?
I roughly know what I'm going.
Right.
Stupid! Three times and 322. Portsmouth and Southsea to Brighton. Why does it have a 4-coach one? Oh look, he's got these on it. I'm going to use that to put on it.
Not overused, no, under.
I'll do it on it.
Any passengers on platform 1 requiring services through towards Gatwick Airport, East Croydon and Clapham Junction, including London Victoria. You're strongly advised to board the train now on platform number 1 and change at Barnham. Once again, any passengers requiring services through towards London Victoria, you are strongly advised to board the train now on platform number 1 and change at Barnham.
Where's my sales?
A minute.
Three times and 322. Service to Brighton. Cheers. First class accommodation is at a rear of the train. And it goes in the clock. The free car variant.
Platform 1. We are sorry to announce that the 10:39 Southern service to Horsham
10:39.
This is due to a points failure.
Jen!
We are sorry that the 10
Okay, boss, where we got 3SO 121. After that was Walk Depot. Post office will bring that next in 2030.
That's all passengers requiring.
I don't know if you like.
Stay there. Yes, return the 377 377 307. I just get this car marker. I'll cut through them, but what's the service going? Yeah, 10:33. I'm gonna put time frames to see what's it. You're in my way. Move away! Go to your bag. You're in my way. Please. Leave me alone! No! You couldn't feel me leaving! Now! You have something that's called something that's points failure. The bus is going to operate. It's what we call that. Yeah, 307. Right.
Portsmouth and Southampton. Currently, we are in no services in that direction. However,
No services.
are valid for travel on Stagecoach 700 buses at the bus station just next to us. Please take your tickets. Go to the bus station and you'll get services towards Havant
No stopping service.
and Southampton.
No, arriving 10:14 stopping service for Hampton. Cancel to the Hampton Barton Room.
Announcement 4. Passengers on platform 2 waiting
Chichester and
service
Emsworth,
towards
Service
Portsmouth
377
Southampton. We
434.
currently have no trains going in that direction.
Direction?
Your tickets are accepted on Stagecoach 700 bus services. Please go to the bus station and use your tickets for a bus service.
Yeah, I was about to say you can use the 700.
Well, how's someone going to handle that front? Oh, excuse me, you're in my film. Excuse me. Yeah, all buses are going to operate on Southern Rail, close to 2 ports, Southampton Central and 80 ports of Southsea. Start here. never mind, he's turned 38, Southern service to Port of Harbour. Service is going to Fratton. What? We're going to do 457. 457. Huh? 377 457. It's a late running service. There's due to Ponks failure between Chichester and Warblington. They go to terminate here and then. Oh yes, again there's terminates here because there's no services because buses are going to bring this replacements. No, Bob was a 10:04 Southern service to Brighton from Southampton Central, followed by one before with 387s. This is followed by an Gatwick Express 387, so we've got 387 This should be used to go back on Gatwick Express route. Yeah, anyone's getting the green light because they're going to Fratton.
Train down platform 2 is your Havant service.
London Choice Havant, just don't do it. There's no service to support the harbour. Now 377 is now departing the 10:48 Southern service to Havant. Harbour, just turn back for Havant, that's 8 minutes late.
Your ticket will be accepted at no extra cost on South Western Railway and Great Western Railway services between Portsmouth.
Mum, can you listen to me? Mum, listen to me! Hey!
Southern Railway website or use our app.
Mum, it's December, we're getting Portsmouth. Don't come to me doing my film. Can I walk home to you? Don't come to me!
No one's playing though because I'm in.
Hey, go here. Oh, not calling that. Oh my god. You're in my way. No, it's something 7 to Bryce. Oh, what was it? What did you first not going to Bright Northern? Not going back? Oh, so get a first class, isn't it? Now I'm only both for services I have 432, which is about mid-early, so
Train on platform 2 is your 11:03 service to Portsmouth and Southsea. Any passengers requiring services towards Southampton Central and the West Country, please board the train here and change at Fratton.
no, it's 11:03. Something service between Portsmouth and Southsea. And the party. Right, this is 432. Constantine Southampton Central. Now I'm in Southern service to London Victoria from Havant. What's it from? Portsmouth Victoria. It's the Southsea? Wrong, it's part of Victoria, 37159. What are you doing, Rose? Hey! Stop blowing the sword now for harping. You can be some space. Do you come and check the camera? Do you come and check Mum? Can you come and check my camera? Service to the Regis. Oh yeah, can I do? Only this train is full of 3 coaches. $38712, $38721. Southernroad.com. Does this have the first class on it? Yes it does. As C2C. Look at stopping. I'm away, leave me alone. Can you film? £359 then for days, Southern service to Barnham Regis. Barnham Regis only, free car, free carriage format, free coach format, free car EMU. First class was front of the train. I'll keep recording unless the train departing. Now, Fritz and 121 service to Brighton from Barnham Regis. It's a southern service from Mrs. Rain from Barnham Regis to Brighton. No, rather than 55 southern service from Brighton to Southampton Central. Yeah? Oh, my tripod now. Some sort of train I have to use. 377. It's got any red lights. By 377160. 3771. So 377. I'll keep calling that. Say southern service. Just 200. I'll buy another one of those 377s. I'm not. 377141. I'm not! Yeah, 377141. I'm not! No! No, no, no! Now the party. No, don't go home, no! Now the party in 55 Southern Service to Southampton Central from Brighton. What about 377160? Next calling car after this will be Chichester. We've got some 307s. What's that? It's about 7 minutes late. I'll keep recording this, so something's apart. Okay. We'll see you guys at Train Depart. I'll keep recording it, okay? Oh, okay, let's just pause that. We'll see you guys at Train Departing. Now, arriving needs 1200. Southern service to Portsmouth. It's about 3 minutes late. 3 minutes late. But this is from London Victoria, rather than Brighton. And I'll keep recording this train departing in the Southern service to London Victoria. I'm punching a red light, chasing in the Southampton Central. We bought some food, lunch. This is from Horsham to Portsmouth Harbour. But by 377-213. Oh yeah, no, yeah, Brighton to Portsmouth Harbour, yeah. Okay, I can't see. What's the guy now? I'll look at real-time trains. Can't see what's doing. I'll look at real-time trains. Let's do it. Wow, it's early. Okay, let's move it to what's that going? Not yet. Right, I'll do it here. Fly! No, Buzz, fly! Right, I'll take them off because I'm going to take that off. Can you get a new one? Please, this one. Can you come here, take it? We need to get a new jacket. We need a new one. 1200 service towards out about 6 minutes late. 6 minutes late from London. You're on my way. Go sit down. Go sit down. This is the next treasure voltage unit. It's fitting into the water harbour from London, Victoria. Is the train departing? Yes, it is departing. Yeah. The Southern Service London, Victoria from Buckler Regis. No, I've only 12 right, Southern Service from Brighton to Chichester via Littlehampton. Mum, can you go to the bench now? You can. Yes, sir. Leave me alone. No, you're not. But by the 377. Not the 4 car variant. 4 coach variant. It's well properly livery. This is all the livery. It's fine to right NHS 7. Yeah, it's normal livery. It's a normal livery. It is run by 377 139. Yes, 377 139. And I'll get a departure. Departure. Now passing the 1208 Southern Service to Chichester from Brighton was about 2 minutes late. Cheers. Cheers! I thought it was a good driver, thank you kindly. Let's go with Barnham, we'll be Chichester. Now I'll be Southern Service to Buckler Regis and it's gone left. From Horsham to Buckler Regis with by 377 436. 25 Southern service to Southampton Central. Huh? You got a blanket for me? Yes, I want a blanket. Now if 12 15 Southern service to Buckler Regis was about a minute late. Southern Service targeting for Buckler Regis. With a 377 Not really, no, we're at the next station. Oh, we're at the next station. Cheers. Okay. Look, space for me. Look. Can you check my phone, camera phone, please, in my space? I need to give me one.
Yes, you film this train or not?
Yes, I am. Yeah, it's terrible. Phil! Please in space, please. Delete your videos. Do you know what I'm saying? Delete your videos. Delete that, please. 97 on the bed. Delete your videos, please. Hello, preacher. I'm preacher too. From Barnham to Portsmouth from Southsea. I'm going to press off of you. 3 cars. Now running for 17 Southern Service to London, Victoria. Was about 8 minutes late. Which from Portsmouth Harbour. Can you delete your videos too? Yeah, yes, 377 457. We're going to London Friday. Now parting the 1217 Southern Service to London Victoria was about 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Yeah, yes. Yes, This was about 8 minutes late. Yes, Port of London Victoria was about 8 minutes late. Train coming fast. 9 minutes late. Yes! Cheers! No, parking need 12 to 17, 77 London Victoria about 10 minutes late, 9 minutes late.
Plug on the bait, pull the handle.
Yeah.
Make it move.
Hello.
Alright, Rob, no worries.
No, summer service to Portsmouth Harbour, the 12:30 service. 3 minutes early. What about 377 413? See you later. And then about now someone's in Portsmouth Harbour, so it was about 10 minutes late. 10 minutes late. That's. And this one's about 3 minutes early. 3 minutes early. Now following 12:23 7 service in Portsmouth South to Brighton was about 6 minutes late. It's delayed service.
No more notebook and pencil then. He has got one in his bag actually. He does normally write them down, but yeah.
It didn't took a button.
Here we are, here it is.
Watching.
Here's the train.
Oh, Barnham to Brighton, sorry. Third one.
Yes.
Ah, 377 428. 377 428. That's the unit. 377. Someone's gone already. 12:37 Portsmouth Harbour from London Victoria is about on time. Cheers! No, 12:23 Somerset to Barnham, it's about 8 minutes late. Class 2 Western Driver, thank you kindly. That's actually just Bogwitch to the bottom, the yellow one just sit there. Right, I'll look at real time trains what's going. Now I've be 12:28 Southern service from Southampton Central to Brighton by Worthing was about 5 minutes late. 5 minutes late. Yes, 5 minutes late. 4 coaches. You could have. Oh, you film it, Tails. Tails, you film it now. I'm over here. We're about another one of those 377s. So we've got 377 204. Yeah, 377 204. Cheers. No, it's 6 minutes late now. See you later. Bye. See you later. No, the choice when I sometimes rising from Southampton was about 6 minutes late. 6 minutes late. I think our train is just sat at a signal. There you go, 377 to Brighton. Now then, this is our train, the 12:34 Southern service from Barnham Regis to London Victoria. Was about 2 minutes late. So this is our train now, and we're taking us to the third station. It's Ford, F-O-R-D, Ford. We've got 377 151. We're going coach 3. Can we go coach 3? Coach 2. You'll go door 1, I'll go door 2. See on my 40. See you in the now passing the 12:38 Southern Service to London Victoria. Cheers. You in my film. You anyway. You can film it. Ah, oh, you film the next one. Film the next one. Sit down. Now arriving 12:46 Southern Service to Brighton. We're about 2 minutes early. We're by another one of those 377s. Tails, where are you? Where are you? It's 3771. 3 done returned. What's up, Barnham? Mum, where's Tails? Where's Tails? Stop, man. The 12:46 Southern Service to Brighton was on time. It's going via Littlehampton. And it's for Chichester. I'll go with Jumper, thank you very much. 377139 bound for Brighton for 12:46, that's on time. Next corner will be Littlehampton. What's the time? Do you want to check what time it's approaching? No, I've only Southern Service to Portsmouth and Southsea from Brighton. Which is from Brighton to Portsmouth and Southsea. We'll buy another one of 377. So we've got 377136. No, it's Brighton to Southampton Central. That's it. Oh, there's a green train passing by. And I'll keep recording. That is 99927. Cheers. And 977 trailing. Now, the last needs Southern Service to Southampton Central with the Southern Service. And the first one, I think is 12:50 service, where it's on time. On time. We're by 377136. Alright, we've got another train passing by from Portsmouth to London Victoria. Harbour to Victoria, yeah. And South Seas Victoria. Hang on. Yes. Yes, Portsmouth to Victoria, London Victoria. We'll another one of those 377s. Yes, correct through Horsham. Yeah, London to Portsmouth. We've got 377109. Three 109 from Portsmouth to London Victoria via Horsham. Now, only 12:57. Southern Service to Brighton was about a minute early. Can you hold on? It's crack. Come here. Come here.
Oh,
It's crack.
so we're getting no one behind it.
Yeah. 377434.
Cathedral.
For Cathedral.
Okay.
You guys, not here. I got a thumbs up. So I've got the screenshot to go. Let's have a little bit. Let's have a bit. Let's just a little bit. 37744 from Southampton to Brighton. So from Brighton to Bognor Regis. 3 coaches. Just about 2 minutes early. Go to the bench now. It's 377-307. It's on a 3 car going. How can Express cars are back now? So it's our train. It's about 9 minutes. Now parting the 1301 service to Bognor Regis. With about on, yeah, it's going to be 1300. Well, by 377-307, we're to go via Littlehampton. Okay, it's going to go for a quote already. Now, Ron, it's our train. Is it going on it? Yeah. Now, Ron, it's our train, the 1308 Southern service to London Victoria, which is from Bognor Regis. We've got plenty of stops to go. We just go to Horsham and wait for another half to couple up. See you return of 377-436. Green lights. You'll go door 1, I'll go door 2. I'll go to Horsham and get to 3. With coach 3, door 2. You can walk, yeah, I'm gonna go. Go there, I'll go there. Okay, see you later. Bye for now.